Yeah, we're back again at my tia's. We're gonna put a spin on the chile relleno and we're gonna make stuffed chayote squash.
Partir los chayotes, ¿no? Pienso que... Los chayotes a cocinar. Y este es de café. Y este es
Now we're gonna be cutting the queso ranchero. Those are the buns, and the cheese will be the patty. Grab a slice, place it in the middle, and just close it together. I'm gonna just put some flour all over it so the batter could stick. Chayote squash with cheese is now being dipped into the egg white batter. Just like the chile relleno, same process. Dip it in, make sure it's nice and fluffy. Splashing some of that golden oil. Now carefully flip it to the other side. You want to leave it in there to make sure that it's golden brown. Give that nice crispy look. Drench it out a little bit. Crispy chayote. Splash, splash, splash. Echa, echa, echa. Now we're gonna plate the fried chayote with cheese. First we get some rice that we made earlier. And tomato. Gonna grab the chile de árbol and tomato salsa. And just smother it. And we're topping that off with some fresh ranchero cheese.
Comes back.